So pagka nabigay na namin yun sa inyo, you can access the SBX app na. So yan, actually, we don't have any initial deposit required na for the meantime, no? So take advantage of it, open an account, explore the app, get the hang out of it. And then once you get the hang out of it, that's the time to fund your account na rin, no? So, ayan, how to fund your SBX account, no? So yun, log in lang into your SBX app, no? And navigate the fund transfer section. Alright, so ganun lang siya simple. Change transfer type to deposit in the fund transfer section. Find the option to change the transfer type. Okay? Select deposit from the available options. So may toggle tayo. Pwede tayong makapamili doon sa transfer type kung withdrawal or deposit. Kasi yung default natin is withdrawal. So kung mag-withdraw ka, yun ang isa-select mo. Right? And then input the desired amount dun sa lower part kung magkano yung gusto mong i-deposit, no? And then afterwards, click the submit button after entering the desired amount, no? So pag nilagay na natin kung magkano, click lang natin yung submit and then i-confirm lang din natin. So may magpo-prompt na confirmation lang. Kung gusto mo talaga yung ini-withdraw mong amount, click yes. Or dine-deposit and then click yes. So you will be directed to the payment page, no? So on the payment page, choose your preferred payment method, no? Ang mga options natin includes InstaPay, PesoNet or Paygate, or Union Bank. May mga included fees to yung InstaPay tsaka Paygate. So kung gusto niyo ng free transfer fee, go with Union Bank, no? Pero kung ayaw niyo naman mag-open with Union Bank, you can also go with InstaPay, no? And PesoNet, right? For bigger amounts. And afterwards, review and confirm your details. Review all the details you have answered to ensure they are correct and then confirm the details and proceed. So, ayan. Process your payment using your online banking account. So, basically, magpa-flash kami sa inyo ng QR code, no? I-screenshot nyo tong QR code na to and then lalabas kayo sa app ng SBX. Tapos, i-scan nyo lang yung QR code using your bank, no? So punta kayo, login mo for example yung BPI, scan mo lang itong QR na finid namin sa inyo, tsaka nyo siya bayaran. Ganun lang siya kasimple. No? Then after nabayaran nyo na, makikita nyo na lang din sa status dito sa transfer history area na app, yung payment. No? So you can check the status of your deposit. No? Go lang din sa transfer history section in your banking app or online banking account to see the status. Alright. So yan, we have another option then on how to fund your SBX account. That is through bills payment. So paano ba natin gagawin tong bills payment na to? Ayan, so log into your SBX app lang, no? Kunin lang natin yung tinatawag nating client code. Saan ba natin yun makikita yung client code, no? For the web app, dito lang natin siya makikita sa area na to. And then for the mobile app, dito naman sa area na to. So yung TS 000101. Yun yung kailangan natin i-capture. And then, kailangan natin i-enroll yung client code na yun dun sa merchant, bills payment method merchant nyo. So BPI, i-add to favorite nyo lang to. No? It's like, siguro, it's like paying your Meralco bill lang. Ganun lang siya kasimple. So yan, I'll give you siguro at least 5 seconds to take a screenshot of this instruction then, no? So that pwede nyo balikan kung paano yung bills payment method because it's just a simple way of finding your SBX app as well, no? Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so ganun lang yung bills payment method. Another way is another bank na available then is yung RCBC, no? If you have a savings account with RCBC, no, you can also go through their app, enroll SBX, Seedback Securities, put the client code, your name, and then pay. Just like paying your Meralco bill or your internet bill, no? Ganun lang siya kasimple.